Design is more than how your website looks. It's about how your site feels to users and Google. Have you ever landed on a site and instantly clicked away because it looked sketchy, outdated, or confusing? That's what we are tackling in this lecture. You will learn how design, transparency, and user experience work together to build trust, and how that trust directly impacts your search rankings. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify key design elements that support trust and readability, fix transparency gaps that hurt credibility, improve user experience for longer visits and better SEO, why design and UX matter for trust. First impressions happen in seconds. If your layout is cluttered, fonts are too small, or links are broken, people bounce, and Google notices. In fact, Google's algorithm uses engagement signals like time on page and bounce rate to help decide if your content is helpful or not. A clean, transparent, easy-to-navigate website makes people stay longer, click more, and come back. That's a win for both trust and rankings. Simple design. Fixes to improve trust. You don't need a custom-built site to look trustworthy. Start with these basics. Readable fonts, nothing too small or fancy. Consistent headings to break up content. Mobile responsiveness. Your site should work on all devices. Minimal pop-ups or distractions. Working links and quick load times. If your blog looks like a 2010 template, it's time for a refresh. Clean doesn't mean boring. It means comfortable. Transparency brand. Users want to know who's behind the site and why they should trust you. Make it obvious. Here's how. Display your About and Contact pages in your main menu. Add your privacy policy, disclaimers, and terms of use in the footer. Show authorship clearly on every blog post. Use a real domain email, not Gmail or Yahoo for business sites. These small details tell users and Google that this is a serious, safe website. User experience. Your goal is simple. Help users find what they need without confusion. That means a clear menu, not hidden or overstuffed. Search bar or categories for easy content access. Short paragraphs, scannable sections. A call to action at the end of each post. Subscribe, read next, contact. If users can't find what they're looking for, they leave. If they feel guided and supported, they stay, and trust grows. Example, let's take two fictional websites about healthy eating. Site A, bright, clean design, author bio listed, clear site menu, recipes, blog, about, contact. Each blog post starts with a story, has images, links to related content, and ends with read more suggestions. Site B, hard to read font, no author info, posts cluttered with ads and pop-ups, no contact page. Which one would you trust? Which one would Google rank higher? Site A for sure. Good design builds confidence, transparency builds credibility, and a great user experience keeps people around. When you combine all three, your site becomes more than a place to read. It becomes a place people trust. And that's exactly what EEAT is all about.